You ever scroll through Instagram it and you see the seamless swipe post? Like it just look neat, very neat. Well, music posts a couple of my images them on Instagram. Well, for the portrait page really. So right now I'm gonna show you how to get that, is it me? Simple thing. So you may say roll intro. Okay, so you have to know Instagram size in order for you to get this thing seamlessly. Cool. So open image up in Photoshop, which I said you can use Lightroom. Alright. Alright. So I have an image on the desktop where I'm going to use. So here's the image. So in order for you to get those landscape type of photos, it works perfect. But for portrait photos now, I just want to get the close-up image of the person's face. Cool. So for me, when I'm cropping this image, yeah, I'm just going to get the face. Alright. So the size for cropping the image is 21 by 60 pixel and 1350 pixel. Alright, I set the quality size to 1000. You can set it to 300, minimum 300. Alright, crop. Cool. So when you're cropping it, it's still, the details still remains. Right, I still keep the details when I'm cropping it. Then I go to file, then I go to, where is it, window, new guide layout. Right, so because I'm doing two image swipe, so swipe left, swipe right, I now have, I put two because I'm swiping left and right. But if you're doing multiple images, you know that you put 3, 4, or 5 based on the width of the image itself. And then for gutter, you leave that empty. So the gutter is like this. So when you leave it empty, it is cut but you can't see it. Cool. It is cut but you can't see it. But when you add a number to the gutter, it's going to be cut, but it's going to be visible. You're going to see the cut. Alright, then you press OK. Then you go to slice tool, which is where the crop tool is. Then slice from guides. Okay, then save, then export. Then export for web legacy. Make sure the preset is at JPEG high but maximum quality. So you can have it at JPEG high, but I placed that maximum quality because I want the quality to remain. Right, and it's going to be a 2-part image. So make sure that one part, when you click on one frame, is going to show you. Hold on. So on the right there's a different setting, and on the left there's going to be a different setting, but you'd have to make the adjustments where the preset is. So you go to JPEG, click on maximum. Cool. Fit the screen. Alright, then everything else remains the same. Right, so then everything else remains the same. Then you click save. When you click save, it's going to ask you where you want to save the image. And for me, I saved it to the desktop, and this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. So you have one image here, and you have another image here. Cool. So that's how easy it is. Nothing hard. Very simple. So I'll catch you next time. Peace. I'm out.